Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to deposit on BetMGM. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. Then on the search bar type in BetMGM. Once you press enter, you'll get this kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then you'll have to select your location. So from this list, select your location, and once you have done so, it will take you to its homepage. Now, once you're on this homepage, you'll have to log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this register button. And if you already do have an account, click on this login button. Then it will ask you to enter your login credentials. Once you have done so, click on this login button. And in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you click on the login button, you'll be logged into your account. Once you're logged in, click on this deposit button at the top right corner, and then you'll have to provide your bank details and also enter the amount that you want to deposit. Once you have done so, click on the deposit button and they will try to verify your identity, and once you have been verified, the amount will be deposited into your account. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.